Ndị be anyị bịakwanụ nụrụ nke na-afịọ n'Orlu Imo steeti. O wee bụ na meshin niile ahụ na-afụ ebe a bụ meshin ndị mmadụ ezuru ezu over 470 something meshin ka a napụtara ndị oshi n'aka with 5 million naira na ego mara ya n'elu. Hey, bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ ka o si wee mee na nke anụnwa na-eme n'Orlu Imo steeti, dịka ndị uwe ojii nke nọ n'Orlu Imo steeti si wee jee jide ndị na-ezukọsị meshin ndị mmadụ. Unu ya ege ntị ka unu nụkwanụ onye nke a narụgoro meshin ya, ka unu nụ ka fasi wee narị anya bụ meshin ya. Meshin niile ahụ na-afụ ebe a bụ meshin ndị mmadụ ezuru ezu. A sị nka njugodu ndị ochie bikonu, unu na paakị ife a na warehouse na unu ya ebuji obodo ọzọ ka ọ na-aya erie n'Imo steeti ka unu ji wee zugide meshin mmadụ tara afụ wee ego o ji eje mkpa ya wee zuo over 400 agụnyekwọ ndị unu legolele, maka na ego ahụ ndị uwe ojii nwetara unu n'aka bụnụ nke elegolele ka unu jikwa na ego ya n'aka. Amakwanụ m ife anyị akpọ ife na-eme n'Imo steeti na nke ikpeazụ a bikonu. Ụzọ Imo steeti na-achọzikwa na ịghọ ụzọ ugwu Hausa na ife mmadụ kara obi wee zugide meshin mmadụ ibi egoro wee zuo over 400 o ji eme gịnị? Kedu mgbosi o ya ilechabeghị ndị zuru ezu ịka na-ezukwa ọzọ? Hey, ndị oshi nke ikpeazụ a ya tụfịa kwa unu. Biko ịnweta ife onyonyo a nyelụ m aka ka ịtụsaa ya ka ndị a na-je meshin fa n'ebe anya m ka fa welu risiti fa ji wee ego wee jebekwa n'aka ndị uwe ojii je burukwa meshin fa. Na ndị uwe ojii na-akọwa na iweta ife akaebe gosi na meshin go na ya ebunyekwa meshin go.
Jesus Christ. Live from the anti-kidnapping unit of the Imo State Police Command, where the operatives of the command recovered over 400, if you are of 450 motorcycles, arrested, recovered over 450 motorcycles in Orlu, recovered over 6 million naira cash, arrested 5 suspects. Let the machine. Oh gosh, look at the machine. Oh, so I'm going to check a machine here. Yeah, they were anti-kidnapping. With your receipts. So police said they are ready to release to anybody who can prove that his machine here. No. No qua. Come. No qua. No qua. Machine no can come over 450. I should come. Ah. No qua. Look at the machine, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. No machine, oh. Look at the machine, oh. Look at the machine, oh. Over 450, no qua. I call a holo, a cabolelo. Hey, go like this. Go like this. I'm not getting. Hey, no qua. Over 450 motorcycles. Over 450.
We are here with some of the victims of these criminal suspects. They are going to narrate their ordeal to us. Sir, can you please start by introducing yourself? You let us know your name, and then you narrate what actually happened to you. How these suspects involved themselves in stealing your property.
My name is Paul.
You are from where?
I'm from Imo State.
Okay, tell us your experience.
Your voice.
Narrate your experience.
Yeah, on Easter Sunday evening, while I was driving, so I picked a passenger. I picked a passenger which introduced himself as we exchanged contact.
Pablo.
Yes, we exchanged our contact as a passenger and driver. He said I will pick him up in a hotel later in the evening so that I will pick him up at any time in the hotel. Then later that day when I dropped him in the hotel, he called me later in the evening that I should come and drop him somewhere. I said okay. Then later that day, I went to the hotel. When I saw him there in the hotel, he said that we should going to give me a business that I should going to help him bring the belt since I have a valid driving license. So I said okay, no problem. Then after the discussion, he called the person that he did the business with, the person that bought the vehicle from him. He said the person cannot fly. So since I have a valid driving license, I can drive the vehicle. So on our way going from the hotel, this hotel, Amaka, to where the person is at Irete. So when we got to Irete, he said we should wait for the person, that he already called the person on phone that the person is coming. So we are waiting for the person in the vehicle. So running that day, we inside the vehicle. So after a few minutes, like 3 minutes, a guy came inside the vehicle and he introduced the person as the owner of the vehicle. So he said we should start going. I asked him to where. He said we should go front, that he's going to get something in the front. I said okay, no problem. Then before I would start the vehicle, he used a white handkerchief. The person at the back seat used a white handkerchief and covered my face. So that was how I lost consciousness, and I didn't know what else happened at that moment. So that was how I know about it. And I lost consciousness from there.
Okay.
That was what happened.
Okay. P0lice. Come now. He said he used handkerchief and rub on his face and he lost consciousness, and further experiences he can't narrate. So from there now you take it up now. So that is the
Okay, so we have another victim.
owner now. Is the owner. Is the owner who made the report to the police. So we are fine.